Amanda, say hi. Who's that? Who's this? Who's that?
Mama.
Is that Elmo? Amanda, is that Elmo? Who is that?
Mama.
Melmo.
Mama.
Elmo? Is that Ryan's underpants? Huh? Amanda, can you blow me kisses? What are you doing? Oh, hello. Hi. Amanda. Amanda. Can you say bye-bye? Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Can you say bye-bye? You trying to put on Ryan's underpants?
Baby. Mama.
Elmo. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Yay.